Namaskar. There was one question from one of the viewer of my YouTube is, can I grow my hair faster? One YouTube was how I can grow my hair thick in short while, like in a day or 2 hours or even 1 month. You can watch that my YouTube also. The link is given in my subscription. Now I'm going to talk is how I can grow my hair faster and the longer. I'm going to say what is the normal growth, what are those factors on which the growth of the hair depends on, and what you can do to increase your hair growth. So number one is what is the normal speed of a human hair is that you will be surprised to know that the normal hair growth speed is 1 centimeter per month. Yes, 1 centimeter, just 1 centimeter in 1 month. So they grow at this speed. Many times you think that you go every month to the barber for your hair cutting once in 1 month. So what he cuts? Just 1 centimeter, and you feel very light. You seems that many kilos or the tons of the weight you are lost and you feel hair is lighter. The reason is, of course, he just cut 1 centimeter. But if you have 50,000 of hair on the top of your head and he cuts 1 centimeter, so basically how much volume he has cut is the 50,000 centimeter he has cut. You understand how the mathematics works? 50,000 centimeter of the hair has been cut in one haircut, but the length of one hair was just 1 centimeter. That is the reason you feel light when you go for the haircut and when you come back. So that is the normal speed. The hair growth depends on the anagen. There are 4 hair cycles. One is the anagen, another is the catagen, then telogen, exogen, and one more is the canogen. Anagen is the growing phase. The normal span of this is 3 to 10 years. And such 10 to 20 times in entire your life, one hair follicle has anagen 10 to 20 times in entire life, and length of one anagen hair cycle is 3 to 10 years. I think I have cleared the point. So during the anagen, hair is constantly growing, and the growth of it depends on the genes, hormones like testosterone, and then other factors, the growth factors. The growth factors includes the vascular endothelial growth factor, fibroblast growth factor 5, insulin growth factors, and there are many other positive hair growth promoting factors which promotes the hair growth. The cells in the dermal papillae are there. They get the signal, and those cells divide. Highest dividing speed of the cells in the dermal papillae. Just in 10 hours they get duplicated, and the cells keep on adding at the bottom of the hair, and the hair comes out growly. That's how the hair grows. So 1 centimeter 1 month. Anagen phase is the growing phase, then the hair follicle goes in the catagen, then telogen, and then the exogen and the nenogen. And the factors I told you, genes, hormones, these growth factors. Growth factors with the negative factors are the tumor necrosing factor, various cytokinins are there. Then the transforming growth factor beta is the main growth inhibition factor. Then the other factors, they are the environmental factors. The most important thing is the stress, toxins of tobacco, smoking, pollutions, pesticides in the food, deficiency of nutrients, deficiency of protein and the iron, various diseases like thyroid, diabetes, various other diseases are there which affects. Then there are few chemicals, then few medicines which you take for the disease like cholesterol lowering medicines, anti-epileptic drugs, antiplatelets or the blood thinner drugs. These are the main drugs which are commonly used. They also inhibit your hair growth. So these are the few factors which reduces your hair growth. So end message is what I should do to promote my hair. My answer is very, very simple. What's in your hand is be happy. Don't stress yourself. Number one, live happy, healthy, social, active life. Happy, healthy, social, active life. This is the second thing. Have good nutritive food. What do you mean by good nutritive food is balanced amount of protein, fat, carbohydrate, plus vitamins, plus minerals. These are the positive things you should do. Every day you must do some exercise. And what you should not do, don't take heavy alcohol, no smoking, no tobacco, no cold drinks. These are the things we should not do. And also the stress. Another important thing, with the various studies are there, the lack of sleep. Lack of sleep has become one of the most common factor in today's young generation, especially the software engineers. They work the whole night. So sleeping in the night is very important. That secretes one important thing called as melatonin. That is secreted only when there is a dark. And that's a very positive hormones in the body which is needed to keep yourself healthy and for good hair growth. So these are the factors which if you consider, my dear, you will have healthy, shining, thick hair and growing hair. Thank you. Thank you very much.